Car theft is evolving, but so are the tools to protect your vehicle. Here are the top 5 car security gadgets you need in 2026 to keep your ride safe and secure. At number 5, the GPS tracker lets you monitor your car's location in real time. If your vehicle is stolen, you can quickly pinpoint its whereabouts and assist authorities in recovering it fast. Number 4 is the Dashcam with parking mode. This smart device records any suspicious activity around your parked car, providing crucial video evidence if anything happens while you're away. Coming in at number 3, the steering wheel lock is a simple yet highly effective physical barrier. It makes it much harder for thieves to drive off with your car, adding an extra layer of protection. At number 2, the OBD2 Anti-Theft Lock blocks criminals from accessing your car's diagnostic port. This prevents them from creating duplicate keys or bypassing your security system. The number 1 gadget is the smart car alarm system. It sends instant alerts to your phone if unauthorized access is detected, giving you peace of mind no matter where you are. Which gadget will you add to your car? Comment below and subscribe for more automotive tips and reviews.